it on YouTube.
Do it.
Okay.
Poor thing.
Who's messing up?
I think it's because you're going to. You got like slower movements.
Are you ready?
Not yet. Seriously?
He's retarded.